Now, if someone's going 10 times to the toilet a day and the doctor's talking about cutting out their colon, my suggestion is delay the surgery and try this.
Mm-hmm.
Now, they can take Slipperyelm every 2 hours if they need to. You cannot overdo this herb. It is a remarkable herb. But when someone is very chronic with this situation, I add 2 other herbs. So this is the mix I make, and I call this mix gut repair. It's 80% Slipperyelm, 10% golden seal powder. Remember, king of tonics to warm mucous membranes, and 10% myrrh. Myrrh is a gum resin, and it is also a healer to the lining of the gut. Okay. So for people who are quite chronic, that can give an added boost. In fact, one man walked around our health centre with a jar of this gut repair smiling. He said, I don't want to let it out of my sight, because he said, this has done more for me. This young man was 35. In the last 15 years, he said, they're now talking about taking out my colon. And he'd been on steroids, he'd been on anti-inflammatories. Now, he was not healed, but he'd gone from 10 evacuations a day down to 3.
Wow.
And he said by the 4th day, his stools were starting to take form. Can you see what?